This is a review of the Hebrew letters, beginning with the current letter that we're studying, the Gimel. I'll give you a letter and a few seconds to guess what its sound is. G, G, Ge, Goo. Now let's look at some words using the first four letters of the Hebrew alphabet. D, Ah, G. And this is the Hebrew word for fish. It's dag, dag. The next word begins with the silent letter Aleph. So we only have the sound of the vowel underneath the Aleph with the ah sound. And the second letter is the vet with the v sound. So when you put it all together, it's av, father. Now we'll look at the more intimate form of av that's used in Israel. Of course, the first letter is silent, just like it was in the last letter with the ah sound. And then you have the b consonant with the ah vowel, and you end up with Abba, because of course the last letter, Aleph, is silent. Abba, father. Now let's go through all the consonants we've had so far, letters 1 through 4. This is silent. This is the b, as in boy. This is the v, as in Viking. And this is the g, as in girl. And the current letter has the d sound, as in duck.